In Canada, the cost of site remediation is currently estimated at over $7 billion, and that's only on the sites that are known to require remediation. The widely held opinion is that that estimated number is too low. In the US, it's estimated to be a cost of about $250 billion and growing, and it's those kinds of numbers that put an exclamation point on the value of secondary containment. Secondary containment could be defined as surrounding either permanently or temporarily one or more primary storage containers to collect any hazardous material spillage in the event of a loss of integrity or container failure. Spil Blok's patent-pending design is created to remove the impracticalities that are related to the setting up and tearing down of short-term and medium-term secondary containment systems. Without compromising on the required material thicknesses and the appropriate chemical resistance, we've focused on a reusable secondary containment system that also achieves labor savings in commissioning and decommissioning. So ultimately, the goal of the system is to bring a solution to above-ground storage practices that doesn't compromise on environmental protection, workplace, or public safety. Depending on the jurisdiction that you work in, synthetic liners for secondary containment generally have a specification for a minimum material thickness. In addition to meeting the thickness requirements, the materials used to manufacture Spil Blok are supported films, which just means that there's a structure built into the fabrics that helps them to dramatically improve the puncture and tear resistance of the berm liner, as well as all the other structural parts of the system. Spil Blok is specifically designed to be rapidly deployed once the site is prepared. The geotextile fabric is placed under the system to provide an additional layer of protection, and then Spil Blok is deployed over that. There's nothing to assemble or any loose parts to keep track of. It's literally just a matter of unfolding the entire assembly and then standing up the integral sidewall structure. The liner and the sidewalls are already attached together, so once it's standing and the sidewalls are ballasted or anchored, the setup is complete. On larger systems, our hydraulically driven spooling unit is available on either a trailer, so it can be delivered to the site with a pickup truck, or as a skid-mounted system that can be handled with an appropriate piece of lift equipment.